multiple mechanisms of producing results so that we can titrate it to the people as well as the actual problem that we are trying to solve. In facial cosmetic surgery, for instance, when we look at the transformation of this lady on the screen, we can see that there are certain changes which can be created by virtue of us performing non-surgical treatments. You can see this lady in 2011 at age 30. But look at what happens when she's in 2017 and is 36 years old. Look at how the entire mechanics of the face have dramatically changed. And then as she goes to 38, you can see there's an even more significant transformation. Ultimately, it's all about symmetry and proportion. And as surgeons ourselves, it is very important for facial cosmetic surgery procedures to be performed in a way which gives our patients the best possible results.